Greetings, 4th graders. I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps. So you'll notice in your HyperDoc that you have a link here for Google Maps. So if you click here, it takes you to Google Maps. You should already be signed in. You may need to sign in with your Google account. I'm not totally sure on that. But here, now I can use this to make my tour. So I'm going to type in 3 different cities that I have learned about. So one is Minneapolis. I'm doing a tour of Minnesota. So I've got Minneapolis. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click Save. I'll just click it to Favorites. Now I'm going to type in my next city. St. Paul. Right there. I'm going to click Save. To Favorites. I'm going to do one more. Stillwater. Oops. And click Save. Now, to access my saved list, what I can do, and there's a couple of different other features on here too. If you wanted to collapse the side panel, you can go there. It goes with it. If I want to get rid of what I typed, I can click my search there. But to get to my favorites for the tour part, or to see what I've done so far, I can go to Your Places, go to Saved, go to Favorites, and now I can see what I have so far, as long as I have saved it. What I'm going to show you in another video is what the actual tour would look like. But when I'm doing my tour, I'm just going to click here. It takes me to St. Paul. I go back to my list. I click here to go to Stillwater, and so on. So next, what I'm going to show you is what an actual tour would look like.